Whistle Freights India Private Limited has made a freight exchange mobile app for all transporters. This app is completely free. Through this app, carriers, those who have trucks, and shippers, those who have loads, can anonymously post requirements, negotiate among themselves, finalize freight rates, and pay advance and balance. Let's see the working of this app. Download and install Whistle Freight's app from Google Play Store. Enter your business name and mobile number. You can register yourself as shipper or carrier. Upon signing in as carrier, driver details screen will be visible. Fill driver details and click on Add Driver to attach him to your app account. In this screen, you can attach your truck to the app by filling in required truck details. Upon selecting Assign Driver, you can allocate your previously added driver to this truck. This is the sidebar menu screen of Carrier. Here, you will find all inquiries, shipments, notifications, your trucks and drivers, bank details, and switch to shipper options. Let's select My Driver. Whistle Freight system will generate a code for every driver added by Carrier as shown in the right-hand side of My Driver screen. This code needs to be shared by Carrier with his driver. To add more drivers, select the W button. In Whistle Freight's app, Carrier will get inquiries based on drivers' real-time locations. Hence, Carrier need to ask his drivers to download and install Whistle Freight's driver app. After installation, this screen will be visible on the driver's app. Driver has to enter that code which his carrier has shared with him. Upon entering the code, the driver will get linked to this carrier and carrier can view this driver's location on real-time basis. This screen is visible to the driver after he has entered the code successfully. He can see his location on the map. In case of any emergency, the driver can click SOS button placed on left top of screen, which sends an alert to the carrier and also to the shipper if cargo is loaded through the Whistle Freight's app. In the main app, carrier can view the live location of his drivers and also see which driver is allocated to which truck by clicking in My Drivers or My Trucks, then clicking on their names. This is the first screen when a user signs in on Whistle Freight's app as a shipper. The three small horizontal lines on upper left corner will open the sidebar menu. Most shippers own trucks and are in need of cargo for their trucks. The option of Switch to Carrier allows the shipper to become a carrier and add his own fleet and drivers as explained earlier in this tutorial. To hire a truck from market, a shipper can float an inquiry by pressing the black W sign on his main screen. He can also use the option of Find Truck in the sidebar menu to float his truck requirement. To float his inquiry, a shipper needs to enter truck type, pickup point, delivery point, and his expected freight and post it. The posted requirement is visible under My Inquiries in the sidebar menu of the app. Whistle Freight's app's algorithm matches the truck type and loading point vicinity of the shipper's requirement to the nearest available carrier's vehicle on the app and delivers the inquiry to carrier's app without revealing shipper's identity. All the matched carriers can view that inquiry in their app's notification section under New Inquiry. Upon clicking New Inquiry, the carrier can view this inquiry along with shipper's proposed freight. Interested carriers can respond by either accepting the proposed freight or can also counter-quote their own offer. Carrier's response can be viewed by the shipper under Notifications section. In the given example, shipper has proposed Rs 60,000 to which the carrier counter-quoted Rs 65,000. The shipper can either accept or cancel this counter offer. This screen appears on shipper's app when he accepts the counter offer of a carrier. Shipper gets carrier's details such as his business name and mobile number. However, the carrier does not get shipper's details. This arrangement is made only after taking transport industry's view in consideration. This screen appears on carrier's app in which he is informed that the shipper will contact him, after which carrier can generate the collection memo. After shipper's contact and fine-tuning the freight rates and other aspects of the concerned job, carrier needs to click on Generate Collection Memo. Most of the collection memo's data is pre-filled. Carrier has to enter his PAN number, agreed freight, and advance amount and then submit it. After carrier submits the collection memo, this payment summary screen appears on shipper's app. Whenever it's time to make advance payment, the shipper can visit the screen and click Proceed to pay advance. App's payment gateway facilitates the shipper to pay the carrier in various payment modes. After successful payment, the screen appears on carrier's app. Carrier can begin the truck's journey by clicking Start button. After successful payment, the screen appears on shipper's app. After the advance payment, shipper too can track the hired truck in real-time basis. The screen is common to both shipper as well as carrier after the start of the journey. After the delivery, by clicking Complete Delivery button, the hired truck is now free and made available on the app for a new job. Last but most important, all the shippers on Whistle Freight's app can apply for unsecured credit card offered by HDFC Bank. In shipper's app, after selecting Apply Credit Card option, this screen appears. Interested shippers may apply for credit card. The shipper has to fill in and submit his basic details as shown here. Upon submission, HDFC Bank will contact shipper. As per bank's eligibility criteria, shipper will be given credit card with a pre-approved limit. This card can be exclusively used on Whistle Freight's mobile app only. Whistle Freight's app is India's only such transporter app which provides up to 22 days interest-free credit by which the shipper can pay advance and balance to the carriers for all vehicles hired from Whistle Freight's app. For more information, log on to www.whistlefreights.com.